It's me, Matthew, and I'm gonna play Gorilla Tag in Roblox. I can't even play Gorilla Tag in I can't play Gorilla Tag since I don't have a VR headset, but I'll just play it in Roblox. Cheaper version, more fun. I'm actually pretty good. I won't get the Tagger. Tagger just weak. You just have to run away. I have easily jukes of people. You just have to run away from some cowardly people. You just have to go F4. You just have to go backwards. That's easy. They lose. You can easily juke the Taggers if you see them. But I currently just get tagged, so I have to play. I tag all the survivors. I'm pretty good, but I have a badge for tagging one person. I don't really get the first one. I'm not really the first one to be the tagger. But sometimes I just want to be the tagger. But it's more fun being the survivors, since you have more opportunities than actually losing. You just have to jump, B-hop. Galing ng tao na ito ah. Just have to jump. Oh. Just gonna tag tayo. Nako, we lost. Well, pretty much almost every survivor's win. And once we are going here, I'm gonna practice since I just played this game. No. This is so hard since the game makes you fast. Yes, makes you so fast. Also Legends. That's really fun. No.
Eric. Ba't di na motor?
Go! Sorry po.
Busy nagbibideo siya.
Woo! Woo!
Ano kanya?
Dito, amata ng akin.
Can you just chase me? I just want that views.
Ano naman sa'yo Nino?
Ooh, get
Dami
you.
nabubulag. Alam, maraming pera.
Want more, even more Tagger added.
Diyan sa...
Right here.
Section na yun.
This guy's blind.
Sindoy ko na mag-ina. Ano nangyari yung pilit?
Ayun, nasa mapuso.
I think he's chasing someone. Yep. What? And she's... Oh! Can't even make that jump. There's 9 survivors. I guess
Si Mama
someone
asan?
joined. I think if you join the game, well, there's an actual game incoming. I think the person just gets
Yan,
odds
matagal
up,
naman daw din yun.
then perhaps the same thing. What? Mami, bakit?
May pag-usapan kami ni Nongnong mo.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye guys.
Ito mahal ko mali.